कितना होगा 8
into 2.
12 8 into 12 means how many tube is there
8.
8 tubes 8 tube in this way 8 tube blue orange green up to 8 means how much blue orange green brown slate
Black,
white
black.
up to black. Okay, then again from first tube it is blue, it is orange. Every tube has a 12 fiber. Every tube has a 12 fiber. That means blue, 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 orange. Again this concept. Okay, understood?
इसमें 282 में 225 इंटू है.
हाँ. Next, I will go to another thing. Just division in which principle the fiber optic works. In your which principle? First they are given training. Which principle the fiber optics work?
Total internal reflection.
Total internal reflection. Fiber optics total internal reflection. That means when a light travel from glass to air, this is a glass medium, this is air medium. Okay, denser to rarer. Okay, then angle of incidence greater than critical angle. When the angle of greater than critical angle, it will reflected back in this way. Okay, that means it will merge with this one. Reflection, total reflection takes place. Okay, in this way, the total reflection according to glass tube, there is a glass inside the fiber. The total internal takes place. Internal reflection takes place of light. So total what you transmitting, same signal you are getting in receiving end. Okay. Now I am coming to the schematic diagram directly. Pond selection and schematic diagram. So pond, how many maximum can give?
32.
32 node. Means 32 customer, one pond can serve 32 customer. Okay. So in that pond boundary, we have to select a pH in such a way so that it can consume only 80%. Okay, 80% consume must be inside the pond. Okay, suppose there is a total 22 customer. In this FDH, this is FDH 1. Here is a 10 customer. Here is a 8 customer. And this FDH has a 4 customer. Okay. This is the main source coming from FDH. Okay. So for that 10 customer, how many splitter will use? Which splitter? 1 to 16. 1 is to 16. Okay. Now, how many FDH is there here? 3. Okay. That means we cannot take parent splitter 1 is to 3. It is not possible. We have to take parent splitter 1 is to 4. So we will take a parent splitter as 1 is to 4. Okay. Listen carefully. 1 is to 4 done here. 1 is to 16. So this will be 8 customer. Okay. 1 is to 16 not. We can directly use 1 is to 8. Okay. Because pair will be here now. Parent splitter में pair रहेगा अभी. Pair will be now in parent splitter, not in child splitter. Yesterday someone asking that question. Okay. Now the pair will be always in parent splitter. That means 1 is to 4 is the parent splitter. Okay. So we are dividing 1 is to 16 for this one 8 customer. This one also
1 is to 4. This one.
1 is to 8 and this one also 8.
Another will be spare.
Complete. See 16, 16, 16.
32.
Okay. इसका जो 16 आया यहाँ पे 1 is to 2 में divide कर दिया 1 is to 8, 1 is to 8. Okay. Again I am going to another logic. Same. Suppose this is a pond boundary. This is FDH1, this is FDH2, this is FDH3. यहाँ पे 8 कस्टमर, यहाँ पे 3 कस्टमर, यहाँ पे 5 कस्टमर. How many total customer is there? 16. Okay. So within pond we can 32 can that it is inside the 32. Maximum 32 customer we can take inside one pond. Okay. Not more than that. So 8 customer. Okay. This is the first FDH. Okay. So 8 customer means how many splitter we will use? 1:16. Okay. Consumption must be in primary splitter 80%. Okay. 1:16. How many FDH is there? 3. So parent must be 1:4. Okay. So 1:4. Okay. So here will be 1:8 and S2 1:8. Okay. मतलब customer भी ऐसे ही रहेगा. Customer will be same. Not it will be totally 8. Maybe I am just giving examples. Okay. It will always below means if there is less than 4 customer, you will always take directly 1:8. If there is also one customer, you have to take 1:8 according to new update. They are
1:4 यूज नहीं होगा.
they are telling we will giving spare 100 to 200% spare छोड़े. वो लोग का पैसा बोल रहा है तो करने दो. ठीक है. In this way the splitting distribution is done. Suppose यहाँ पे आपका हो गया this FDH another FDH come. ये 5 यहाँ पे 3 यहाँ पे 4. अब बोलिए कैसा होगा? 1:8 1:4 हो गया. 1:4 तो पैरेंट होगा ही. अब यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कैसे होगा?
1:4
यस 1:4 1:4. समझा? ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. अब क्लियर हुआ? ऐसे मतलब पैरेंट splitter always be in the primary FDH1 from where it is giving the input. Okay, you have to follow the HLD route, HLD fiber design.